Welcome again, I'm Ontario Wraith, bringing another quick look video at this knife, the Ontario Wraith. This little box that came in, I also wrote the brand there, 1889, stainless steel in the box. So a great little knife. I just had it a week or so now, and quite interested to get it. I first became aware of it on Pete's Cedric Ada channel, though I think Gideon Tactical channel has a video on this as well. And just interested, and particularly at the price. In Australia these are quite cheap, and I consider it a very good value knife. Not just that it's cheap, but good value. Pete does a bit of testing on the knife there and shows good quality. Wraith is called, and it has the little number there for the steel, the German 4116 stainless steel. And the reverse side, or the other side, a pocket clip. Just a single screw, and see there's just a little cutout. Same on this side, that helps hold the pocket clip in place and doesn't move around too much. And just a little bit of writing there. It is made in Taiwan, this knife, but that's okay. Interestingly, the handle in particular is very similar to, here's the Cerberus knife. Oh, it doesn't quite fit in the shot, but it's a knife I bought a while back, really great, but seem to be they're copying the same handle design here. You got this tapered in section at the front, then bulges out and then tapers down towards the back. See on the Cerberus knife, so seem to be developing a whole series of knives like this. The Spec Plus knife that I've got in the video, and the Hunt Plus series, things like that. So seem to be the Ontario designers like this knife design, or like this handle design, and decided to make a few in this series like that. So it works quite well. Your fingers just grip in there. The pocket clip doesn't really get in the way there, so it's good. But also when I was looking at the knife, interesting just to look at how they're made, that sort of thing. It's very similar to this one here. This is Gerber LST, light, smooth, tough. Came out quite a few years ago, and they're still made. This is in the small medium. I think there's a larger one of this as well. There's been a couple of variations of these LST knives over the years. But just seeing this as one of the first knives that was made with injection molded, single piece injection molded type of plastic, and then it made for a cheaper assembly, a cheaper knife. Just have the one pin through the back spring there, and then some sort of pivot pin there. And similarly, this Wraith seems to be made in the same way. Just the pin holding the back spacer in, and no real design, no real separate pieces. There's no way they'd be trying to join them together unless they sort of glued it some way. So it looks like it's a single injection molded plastic of some sort, the same as the LST, which sort of started this trend many years ago. So LST, great little knife for sure, very cheap, good value, just keep in your pocket. Back to the Wraith, 67mm blade, so medium sized blade, only 47 grams, so it's quite light, easy to carry in the pocket, cuts well. The steel is quite adequate, sharpens up well, and just as a size comparison, here's a Rat 2. I think most people know a Rat 2, so I can see, I'll just zoom out slightly if I can here. Yeah, zoom, that's a bit better. So you can see it's just a bit smaller than a Rat 2. Blade's pretty close to the same length. Handle just a little bit smaller. In comparison again, I'll just pull out a Rat 1. Well, Rat 1 hardly fits in the screen there, but so they give us some idea of the size. So since I was putting on this one, Pete had the video on it, and ended up buying one. Got it from the Australian website there in Brisbane, a shop. They've got a shop there, and a great little knife for the price, including a little bit of postage. Great value knife if you just want a little lightweight knife to cut few things, a little lightweight duties. You won't be chopping down trees or anything with this one, I'm sure. And great knife, the Ontario Wraith. Making some great knives, Ontario is. So there we go. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Sandman Twin Label. Remember, subscribe, like if you can, and stay ready, stay prepared, stay alert, particularly in these crazy times we live. Bye bye for now.